Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. This is a follow-up to my last week's video about the Premiere feature, where I asked you guys to comment whether you like it or dislike it. And after about a week of reading your comments, I've come to the conclusion that the vast majority of you pretty much hates it. Now, I would be an idiot to ignore these comments and continue having the Premiere feature, so it will no longer be part of my channel, at least until further notice. Now, to be honest, even if it was 50-50, I would still probably cancel the feature. Why? Well, because the people that were for the Premiere were pretty much indifferent. They didn't really care, and only one or two guys said they actually like it, while the people that were against the Premiere pretty much hated it. Because apparently it clutters your notification bar, and not only that, but you get notified of an upcoming video, but you don't get notified when the actual video airs, making you miss videos, which is pretty bad. Now, I don't know if it's some kind of a bug or something, but it certainly isn't a good thing. Because of this, many of you have said that you unsubscribe from channels that keep using the Premiere feature. So from now on, when you get notified about a video of mine, you'll be able to watch it right away. And just to make sure you don't miss any, make sure to click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified for every video that I upload. Also, some of you guys said that you would like me to do a Q&A session. So if you feel like asking me a question that you want an answer to, please email me to watchgeekyt@gmail.com, and I'll put the email in the description, and then if there is a certain number of questions, we'll make a video where I answer them. Well, that's pretty much it. So thank you all for participating in the last video and commenting. I really do appreciate the time that you took to comment, especially those who had pretty long comments explaining why I should drop the Premiere feature. So until YouTube changes something or until it becomes more, I don't know, popular, I will definitely be dropping it. Thank you all again, and until the next video, bye.